Good morning, children. Welcome back to your science class. Okay, so today I will continue with chapter 2, human body, the teeth. Okay, last class I started with this chapter. Okay, I hope you all remember. Right, so we are talking about teeth. We studied about why or how teeth is important. I told you to imagine that you didn't have teeth. Did you all do that? Yes, close your eyes and imagine if you don't have teeth, what will happen? You cannot chew, right? You get tasty food in front of you, but then since you don't have teeth, you are not able to chew and eat, right? Then what will happen? Your face will not look nice when you smile also, right? When you don't have teeth. Then another thing is, it will give shape to your face. Okay, suppose if you don't have teeth, you will not have a proper shape. So teeth is very important. One is called tooth, more than one is called teeth. Okay, so then we studied about sets of teeth. Okay, we studied about sets of teeth. How many sets of teeth are there? There are two. Okay, there are two. For temporary or milk teeth and permanent teeth. Okay, I am doing a revision of last week. Okay, now we have two sets of teeth, temporary or milk teeth. Okay, a newborn baby does not have any teeth. Okay, so temporary or milk teeth, when the baby is about 6 to 8 months old, then the first tooth will come out. Okay, then when that tooth or teeth falls off, when the milk teeth falls off, you will get another set, and that is your permanent. Okay, so when this also falls, I think I told you last week also, you will not get a new one. So that is why you have to be careful. Okay, so when children are about 6 to 7 years, that's when the milk teeth will start to fall off. I think all of you have experienced that. Your tooth will start shaking and then it will fall off, right? Then you will get permanent tooth. Okay, so an adult has 32 permanent teeth. Okay, then we studied about the kinds of teeth. We studied about the kinds of teeth. I hope you remember we studied about incisors, right? The first one, incisors. So I made you draw also. Look at the picture in your book. Okay, incisors are 8 in number, 4 up and 4 down. I told you to stand in front of the mirror and then open your mouth and see all that also. Okay, all your teeth. Then these are called cutting teeth. Then you have canines. Okay. First you have incisors, 8 in number, 4 up, 4 down. Okay. Then you have canines, 4 in number, 2 and 2 down. Okay, these are called tearing teeth. It will help you to tear the food. Okay, then you have premolars. How many premolars do you have? You have 8. 4 up, 4 down. Okay, it will help to crush the food and break it into smaller pieces. Then you have molars. How many molars do you have? 12. Okay, 6 up, 6 down. So these are big, flat and broad teeth, and that it will help you to grind the food. Suppose if I give you an apple, how will you bite an apple? You will use your incisors, right? Bite it, and then you will use your molars to grind it, chew it, and then you will swallow. Okay, now the 4 molars that grow later at the age of 20 are called wisdom teeth. Okay, now children like you all have only incisors, canines and molars. Okay, you do not have premolars. Okay, then I told you to do, okay, children your age will have 20. For an adult like me, I will have 32. Okay, these are the set of a number of teeth. Then I told you to do pause and do. Okay, I think I did the first one also. How many sets of teeth we have in a lifetime? 2. Right, an adult has 32 teeth. All adults have the same or or different shape? Different shape, right? An adult has 2 canines in each jaw, and molars are used for grinding the food. Okay, so today I'm going to start with parts of a tooth. Okay, this is your, I think it's there in your book also. One is called tooth, more than one is called teeth. So this is just one. Okay, so just look at this. Okay, now you have something called crown, and this side is the root. Okay, just look at the picture in your book also. All right. So each tooth is made up of 2 parts, crown and root. Okay. So if you see crown and root, then a tooth has 3 layers, another layers. These are your enamel, dentine and pulp. Okay, 2 parts, crown and your root, and then they have 3 layers. Okay, enamel, dentine and pulp. So crown is the top part of the tooth that we can see, and it is not covered by the gum. So go to stand in front of the mirror, and then when you open, just check your tooth. What you see on top, that is your crown. Okay, can you see the root? No, you cannot see the root because it is inside. Okay, the jaw. Enamel is the outer white part of the tooth. It is the hardest substance in our body, and it cannot be repaired if it gets damaged. Enamel protects the inner part of the tooth. So can you see enamel here? This is the toughest, strongest part. Okay, so if this gets damaged, then it cannot be repaired. Okay. Dentine is the layer beneath the enamel. So you have enamel, then you have dentine. Below enamel, you have dentine. Okay. This is also hard, but not as hard as enamel. This is the hardest part, enamel. So if it gets damaged, you cannot repair it. Okay. Dentine is the layer below enamel. Okay. This is also hard, but not as hard as enamel. Okay. Gums hold the teeth firmly in their place. So if you open your teeth, can you just, when you move it, does it come out, or can you move your teeth? No, because it has root. Okay, that is why the root is inside the gum, and then when you move it also, it will not move. Okay, so gums, because of gums, it will keep the tooth firm. Okay, pulp is the part of the tooth lying inside the dentine. It is the central part of the tooth. The pulp is a soft layer and has blood vessels and nerve endings. So if you see here, these are your blood vessels and nerve endings. This is your pulp. Okay. We feel a sensation in the pulp on biting and ice cube. I think you've all tried ice cube. How is it? It is very cold. So if your tooth is exposed, or if it is spoiled, then when it touches the nerve, what do you feel? You feel certain sensation. Okay, it is because of your nerves and all that is inside your tooth. Okay. This is because the nerve endings inside the pulp send the message to the brain about it. So these nerves will send a message to your brain. Okay, and that's when you feel the sensation. Alright. Now root. This is your root. Is the part of the tooth which lies inside the gum. Okay, you can look at the picture also. The gum is there and the root is firmly stuck. And then it does not move. That is why your tooth is stuck at that place. Okay. Now, cementum. Cementum makes the root of the tooth. It is attached to the jaw bones. Okay. You have something called cementum. This is attached to the jaw bones here. Okay. Then care of teeth. I think we all know that we should take care of the teeth. Right? If you don't care of the teeth, if you don't look after your teeth properly, what will happen? you'll have cavities, it will fall, right? So you should brush. I think last class also I told you have to brush your teeth twice and all that. So let's just read this. We must take proper care of our teeth so that our teeth, so that they can be saved from decay. Decaying is getting spoiled or rotten, right? Sometimes you come to me or you come to your parents and then you say, my tooth is paining. And then what do you see when you open your mouth? You can see a black spot there. So what has happened to your tooth? It has started to decay. Okay, cavities have formed. Okay, so if teeth are not cleaned properly, food particles. The cavities can grow bigger and deeper and reach the dentine and pulp, resulting in tooth decay. The black spot that you see in the teeth, that is your cavity. So that is a sign of tooth decay. So when you have tooth decay, what will happen then? It will pain, right? You will not like it. So tooth decay causes bad breath, cavities, toothache, and bleeding of gums. That means from your gums, blood will come out. Okay. Healthy teeth are an important part of a healthy body, and we can keep our teeth strong and healthy by following some simple steps. So how can we keep our teeth healthy? Okay. We don't have to, do anything extra. Just keep it clean. Okay. We must brush our teeth properly twice a day with a soft toothbrush, once in the morning and once at night just before sleeping. So always brush your teeth. We must rinse our mouth after every meal. So suppose I have breakfast, okay, then I should rinse my mouth with water. We put and gargle and then spit the water out, so that whatever food particles is stuck, it comes out, so it does not get stuck in your tooth and then your tooth does not start to decay. Okay. Along with our teeth, we must also clean our tongue. So every time you brush your teeth, you have to clean your tongue also. I hope you know where your tongue is, right? We should brush our teeth in small circular motions, covering each and every surface of the tooth. Always brush your teeth up and down like this movement. I will send you a video, okay, today. Just watch that video also. It will show you how to look after your teeth, okay, and then what is the correct way of brushing. Eating too many sweet food items, chocolates and sweetened drinks should be avoided. These kinds of foods may cause tooth decay. So I'm sure your parents do not allow you to have chocolates every time, right? Junk food every time, because it will spoil your tooth. Okay. Never share your toothbrush with anyone. So today I lost my toothbrush. Can I go home and say, I'll tell my mommy I'll use your brush? No, that is not good. Even if you're staying in the hostel, please use your own toothbrush. Okay. Visit a dentist regularly. I hope you know who's a dentist. Who's a dentist? Person who takes care of your tooth. A doctor, right? Who looks after your tooth when your tooth, there's a problem with your tooth. Okay. The dentist carries out a proper dental checkup and can detect any damage to your teeth. Okay. So when you have any toothache, you go to a dentist, and the dentist will check what is wrong with the tooth and give you proper solutions of treatment. Okay. Thus, your teeth will be treated properly, which will keep your teeth healthy. So there's a picture also of a dentist checking a girl's tooth. Okay. Eat a balanced diet to keep your teeth healthy and strong. Remember, in the first chapter we studied about balanced diet. How your balanced diet is very important, right, for you. How your carbohydrates you should have proteins, fats. So for your tooth also, for a set of healthy teeth, you need to have a proper balanced diet. Okay. Your diet should be rich in calcium so that your teeth become strong. Milk and milk products are good sources of calcium. Okay. So if you want to know how do you get or from where do you get calcium, you can go to chapter 1 and refer also. Alright. So you must add them in your list. Your milk, cheese, curd, all this you should, egg, all this you should have. So I finished the chapter here. I want you to read the summary and the glossary. If you notice, summary has all the important points of whatever we have done. Okay. Then glossary, word meanings. Okay, so crown is something, which is new. So crown is the upper part of the tooth that can be seen, So all the meanings are there. Now, if you turn your page to page number 23, you have objective type questions. Okay, I want you to do A, B, C, D in the book itself. Just mark. Look for the answers. Okay, this will show whether you understood the chapter or not. Okay, just look for the answers. Even if you don't know the answer, it's okay. I will give you the answer. But when I give you the answer, please check. Okay, so if it is correct, leave it. If it is wrong, just rub and write. Okay, part 1 is always done in the book only. Okay, this is done in the book only. Only part 2 question answers I will tell you to do in the copy. Okay, so in this chapter, I have finished the chapter. In this chapter, we studied about teeth. Okay, we studied about the kinds of teeth, sets, how many sets we have, 2 sets, right? Permanent and temporary. Then we studied about the parts of a tooth, enamel, dentine, all this. So, and how to look after your teeth. I will send you the video also. Please watch the video. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please ask me in my personal number. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.